Hello, Teacher Cindy here, and I am here to talk about a more bittersweet part of the holiday season for us is taking down the Christmas decorations. Oh, it's so sad. But to be able to look at the ornaments as we put them away, because we like to have very special ornaments, a special ornament for each of our kids each year to kind of help signify what that year was like. A little unicorn, a ladybug, an ant. She got one of her favorite book characters, Piggy, from Gerald and Piggy. Another year we got butterflies. So it's fun to be able to relive those years as we take our Christmas decorations down.